What I think we are currently seeing in political debate is that people come to the table with their defensive positions already formulated. When you get rid of that opportunity to start with words, you force people to only read one another's body language.
Towards the end, our poses were like this, like
we were communicating.
together.
What we're going to try to do is extract gestures that are absolutely and only yours.
When you've gone through some things, you learn how to move. There's just something that doesn't even need to be said.
What might happen when four seemingly divided groups are invited to one event to debate one another without using words? Our bodies tell maybe a fuller story.